Hello all, this is a brief overview and review of the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. I picked it up on Amazon on sale for $40. It typically retails for $50. And inside the box here there was only two pieces that you had to assemble together in the instruction booklet. Here you have the main unit as well as the rotating pizza pan that you put in. Installation seems pretty simple. Seems that there's a little trivet right there that it rests on. And then it looks like it just rotates right from there. Inside the booklet it says that once you plug the machine in, it automatically starts rotating, but the heating element does not turn on. It says in order for the heating elements to turn on, you have to rotate the timer knob past the 4-minute mark here. So, if we plug it in, it should start rotating. Yep, and there it goes. No heat. It actually feels like there might be a fan inside the unit as well, possibly to circulate the hot air. But right now there's no heat coming from it and it's just rotating. It says once you turn it past the 4-minute mark here, it turns the heating elements on, and you can select from either just having the lower heat element on, the upper heat element, or both. So I'm going to give this a shot with a frozen pizza and be back here in just a bit to see how it turns out. So here we are about 14 minutes later with frozen pizza that I put on here. Just your basic frozen pizza, a nice Newman's Own honey-cured pepperoni. The booklet says 12 to 15 minutes on dual for a pizza 9 to 12 inches in diameter. And I believe this definitely fits that mold. And here we are at about the 14-minute mark, and looks like it has turned out quite nice. So I'm going to let it rotate here. It should ding once the timer is fully off. Looks like we still got 1 minute left. And supposedly once the timer turns off, the heating element turns off, but it will keep rotating, so that way it will still rotate the pizza under the residual heat from the heating element, so it will kind of continue to bake for another couple minutes, even after the timer's done and the heating element's off. So, I'll put a little review in the description, see how the pizza turned out, taste and flavor-wise, but I'm really looking forward to using this, if this is the results it's going to give me. Because, let's face it, really stinks waiting about 15 to 20 minutes for your conventional oven to preheat, and then, another 15 minutes to bake it and not being able to see it or anything like this. It's as easy as just plugging it in and let it rotate for about 15 minutes. I think that's a win for everybody. So, thank you for watching.